Mandala is a Sanskrit word which essentially translates to a circle. It had been used as a spiritual guidance tool since ages. Nowadays, mandala art is being employed for focusing attention of practitioners. It is also known to aid to meditation and to learn patience. Now, looking at a mandala, you might feel intimidated by the complex design and the structure and might wonder if we could ever draw something this complex. Trust me, all you need is a geometry kit. Today, let us attempt to make a simple yet detailed mandala art for this session. Start with a center identified using two perpendicular lines and some circles drawn using a compass radiating outwards. Now, we wouldn't be worrying about accuracy here because the guidelines are just to guide us and may not be part of the actual design. Using an arc of the smallest circle, we'll be creating more lines that are radiating from the center. For the design part, we'll be using any of the pen that is available to us and take inspiration from the most naturally occurring mandalas, that are the flowers. Exactly like a flower, the center would be more condensed and more detailed. We'll be using different weights of the lines, using different type of pens. Like a flower, we'll create the petals outside, which would be overlapping. You will realize that drawing in one direction, making strokes in one direction are easier compared to the other. Hence, rotating the paper helps you create those strokes in that direction itself. We'll try and make our center more condensed and more detailed. For the design, try and fill it with the elements that you have seen around. Anything that you want to put in. Detail it out as you like and as much as you like. And there you have it. Don't forget to erase the guidelines.